Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Today I have one Hot Wheel case unboxing that I'm going to show you, which is Fast and Furious Wave 3 quarter mile muscle. So if you remember, previously I have two case unboxing for the Fast and Furious case 1 and case 2, and let's unbox it. So now this is a 10-piece Fast and Furious Wave 3 quarter mile muscle, and I just received this I think 2 or 3 days back ago, but I do not have time to unbox it yet. In fact, I'm going to show this video first before the previous two videos that I've recorded that was supposed to be published later today, but I guess I'll just show you this one first since this is the latest one. So let's open it up. So you can see here 10 pieces of quarter mile muscle in the third series of Fast and Furious. So let's take first car. (1970) Chevrolet Chevelle SS in red. So this car number 1, Fast and Furious artwork, which is nice. The side view, the paint is fantastic. Okay. Not a particular favorite set, particularly in Asian market, probably in US, but I'm going to collect it as a full set, complying to the first and second wave that I have. There's something dropped inside there. Well, I'm not sure what's that. You can see here. Okay, so what do we have here? So we have the other 4 that I'm going to show you in a while. So this is the first one, 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, car number 1. Two in the case. Perfect. So let me see the car number 2. Car number 2 is also a 1970s Chevrolet Chevelle SS. So the difference is the color. One is a gray, one is a red. Okay. Look at the front. So this color is the paintwork on this Chevrolet SS is matte rather than glossy. So this is car number 2. So you do have 2 different paint for Chevrolet Chevelle SS, and in fact that this the second gray one is only one in the box. So let's move on to the car number 3. Car number 3 is 77 Pontiac Firebird T. Trans Am. TS stands for Trans Am. As you can see here, I believe so. So look at the car. very sharp detail. The Firebird on the engine hood, another Firebird on the side, and at the back you can see the exhaust, 4 exhaust at the bottom there, made in Thailand. So in black, this is car number 3, Pontiac Firebird. Do we have I think we have two in the box. Car number 3. Car number 4, the popular 67 Chevrolet Camaro. Look at the artwork. Car number 4 in orange. Look at the front. Okay. So the engine hood can be opened. This should be the same casting as the 2019 Red Line Club member cars, just in different color. So everyone know this car very well. In orange. Okay. Chevrolet Camaro, car number 4. And in this box, in fact, they have 3 pieces, which are opposed to the gray Chevrolet Chevelle SS, which has a 1. So you have 3 for Chevrolet Camaro 67. Good. So last car in quarter mile muscle, car number 5, Ford Mustang Boss 302 1969. Collectors quite familiar with this. Look at the front, the racing strip on the hood, the wheel in brown, the bottom. It's a 210 casting. Yeah. So in white, if you can see, there's a roll cage inside this car. Look at that. So 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302 in white with black racing strip. Car number 5. Put it here, and you have 2 in the case. So let's look at. So car number 1, Chevrolet Chevelle SS in red. The same car in matte gray, which is car number 2. So there you go. Car 1, car 2. Car number 3, Pontiac Firebird, which is very nice. Car number 4, the ever popular 67 Chevrolet Camaro, car number 4 in orange with an openable engine hood. We have 3 of these in one case. And car number 5, Ford Mustang Boss 302 in white. So tell me, what do you think about this third wave of Fast and Furious quarter mile muscle which is your favorite. Leave your comment below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. See you. Bye bye.